Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.